Hello Sheridan students, my name is Kevin. I am your proud computing tutor for this campus for Python and Java this semester. I'm thrilled to welcome you to Sheridan and support you throughout your academic journey. As your go-to guide, I'm here to help you understanding coding syntax, clearing up any doubts, ensuring your codes run smoothly, and most importantly, preparing you for the future success. Whether you need assistance with understanding assignment requirements, tackling tough concepts, or discussing coding strategies, I'm here for you. I offer support through one-on-one sessions available both in person and virtually. For in-person, visit me at J104 Davis campus. Drop-in sessions for quick questions in person at J104. Virtual group tutorials conducted via Teams. In addition to Java and Python, I also support courses like web development, computer math, and many more. You can find more details and book an appointment through my Tutor Ocean profile. Looking forward to see you happy faces. Thank you guys.